Yes, I would agree to the dismissal of the felonious assault, the adding of an assault and battery, and possession of a taser. Do you have any objections to them dismissing the felonious assault, Ms. Hill, and just charging you with possession of a taser and assault and battery, which is a misdemeanor?
No.
The 15th would be great, Your Honor.
Ms. Hill, we'll see you back at the request of your attorney. I'm granting the request for an adjournment. We'll see you back on the 15th of February.
And I'll be over to see you shortly, Ms. Hill.
My baby my baby birthday is on February 9th, her first birthday.
The judge won't revisit the issue of bond right now because you've got so many pending matters you've got to be arraigned on.
Today in the courtroom of Judge Arienne Slay, we have a defendant who is currently facing multiple charges. And she appears to be in serious need of an attitude adjustment. The defendant seems to be directing her frustration towards the court, expressing her displeasure through body language alone. She appears upset at the prospect of spending time behind bars and missing her firstborn child's birthday. However, the court is not responsible for her predicament, rather, it's the consequences of her own actions. Will Judge Slay grant this rude defendant a bond before her baby's first birthday? Stay tuned to find out.
Number 26, People versus Zakila Whipset, 23840 FH.
Good afternoon, Ms. Hill.
Good afternoon.
Zachary Ward for the people.
And good afternoon, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Rita Young appearing on behalf of Ms. Hill Whitsett, who is present by Zoom. Ma'am, could you state your full name for the judge, please?
Zakila Hill Whitsett.
Hi, Judge. How are you this afternoon?
How are you today?
Well, Your Honor, I'm going to yield the floor to the prosecutor. They're offering to amend on my case, and then there's maybe some pending matters that have to be addressed.
Your Honor, and we will file amended information in this case, adding counts 2 and 3, possession of a taser, as well as a misdemeanor assault and battery. And dismiss count 1, the FA with a taser. We did authorize a new case. Well, the case that we've been discussing, that was authorized on the 4th. I don't see it in JIS yet. So, but I believe it's been sworn out. So it's probably an active warrant at this point. So it would be in Ms. Hill Whitsett's interest to get arraigned on that. That's a retail fraud and possession of taser. And then we also got there's also a possession of cocaine charge that will likely be added to that case as well. So, yeah, that's a retail fraud second, Your Honor. She also has the newest charge, the retail fraud second out of Briarwood. That's set for a pretrial tomorrow in the 15th. And then she has 2 pending matters in 14A1, I believe. Another matter pending in 14B. And in the 14B case, she has a personal bond, but home confinement if she's released. from Judge Washington.
In my recollection, I have not been assigned to any of these other cases. I don't believe it, just the case that's before the court. I am hopeful that I can get assigned, so maybe we can do a global resolution of all of these matters. So I obviously would like to ask for another adjournment of this case. And I'd like to revisit the bond issue as well.
We can, I will say with all this additional information, it's unlikely the bond is going to change today.
Okay.
There's a whole lot going on. So. It's like, I don't. So you're going to be filing an amended information. This exam was waived. So
Yes.
are you agreeing to the amendment?
Yes, I would agree to the dismissal of the felonious assault, the adding of an assault and battery, and possession of a taser. Do you have any objections to them dismissing the felonious assault, Ms. Hill, and just charging you with possession of a taser and assault and battery, which is a misdemeanor?
No.
Okay.
Your Honor, to my knowledge, as to these other cases, I don't know what the status is, other than I've been provided by the prosecutor with a court date for at least two of them. The one that's the longest scheduled is February the 8th. There's a probable cause conference, I've been told. And so I'm asking that maybe we get an adjourned pretrial on this matter near the third week of February.
Yeah.
And if you get her like now, it's probably
The 15th and the 20th.
Okay. The 15th would be great, Your Honor.
Ms. Hill, we'll see you back at the request of your attorney. I'm granting the request for an adjournment. We'll see you back on the 15th of February.
And I'll be over to see you shortly, Ms.
My
Hilson,
baby
okay?
my baby birthday is on February 9th, her first birthday.
The judge won't revisit the issue of bond right now because you've got so many pending matters you've got to be arraigned on. You got home confinement on another case. And you've got to be arraigned in a bond set on some other cases.
All right.
So we're going to have to revisit the bond, this case on the 15th, okay?
All right.
And she's
Got me sweating.
thank you, Your Honor.
Supplemental People versus James Harbin, 23107 at Bay.
Thank you.
Zachary Ward for the people.
Your Honor, Gina Novesti for Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Mr. Harbin, seeing if he comes in.
All comments, viewpoints, interpretations, and insights expressed in this video are for education and entertainment purposes. All individuals featured in the video are to be presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Please do not attempt to contact, locate, or engage with any individuals featured in the video.